some R-E-S-P-E-C-T on it. She passed away, folks, yesterday. You would have heard. Aretha Franklin, one of 5 children. Detroit, living, born in Memphis, though. Passed away yesterday after a bit of a battle with pancreatic cancer, which is really a beast, let me tell you. Apparently had been struggling with it for a little while. And I look at footage of her from a couple of years ago and look at footage of her from her most recent times. You can see the toll it took on her body, but a lot of people did not know that she was ailing.
You know how I know that this lady was incredibly big? Of course, she's a black American. And if you watch the cable networks in the United States yesterday, almost the entire day, they had something about Aretha Franklin. I was watching CNN. It was Aretha.
So you're thinking because she's black American, they wouldn't have?
No, I'm just saying that how good she was. Because, yeah, other people have passed on who are entertainers and stuff. And I didn't get the feeling that they were as deep in showing respect to some others than that they did yesterday.
Okay.
18 Grammy Awards.
She's iconic. There's no way they could have gone around.
She's nominated must about 40-something times.
I think she's the first black woman in the Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
I mean, you could not go around her. I don't
she
know
got a presidential medal from George W. Bush. She sang for Barack Obama. She was absolutely incredible.
Yeah. She was 76 years old.
Incredible. Why are we not hearing Aretha Franklin? You know, I'm missing.
Shugs was playing some this morning. Just
you make me feel like a natural man.
I think he was going to say, oh man, that would have been awkward. Okay. All right. So.
There you go. Aretha Franklin, unfortunately gone at 76. All right. What's the next one? The Minister of Education.
Put some volume on, Shugs.
He has announced that there's been an increase in the pass rate for students in public schools who sat the compulsory subjects of math and English language in the CSEC this year when compared to 2017. He said 35,149 students from public schools were registered to sit the exam, which 34,139, 97.1% sat, and 30,088.9% obtained grades from 1 to 3. Well, there you go.
Okay.
And the next one?
This is a tough time, you know. CSEC is a rough. CSEC, when the results come out, you can't even sleep. Final one we're doing?
Yep.
Talawas?
Yeah.
Did you go to cricket?
No.
How come?
Because we have the camp at St. George's. It was tough for me. And actually, I felt badly because I was given a nice little ticket from a very, very good friend, and I really just couldn't make it. But they're off to a great start, the Talawas. They've gone 3 straight. And the one on Wednesday night was particularly interesting because Chris Gale is the captain of the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots. Is it Nevis or Nevis?
St. Kitts and Nevis.
St. Kitts and Nevis. He was a captain. Started out pretty decently, Chris Gale, but didn't make as many as he would have wanted. The Jamaicans wouldn't have minded that at all. And man of the match, I don't know if you remember Kenara Lewis. We interviewed Kenara Lewis this week with the coach of the Talawas team. He was the one who came, and he was named, he was named man of the match for his 49. Boy, the man licked some 6.
Is cricket making a popularity resurgence, you find?
2020 is popular.
Always been, right?
Since it started.
Is Test losing it?
Yeah, Test, because Test, I remember telling my daughter about Test cricket for the first time, and I said it lasts 5 days, and then at the end of the 5 days, sometimes nobody wins.
Yeah,
she said,
that's
that
crazy.
Nuts.
That made no sense to me.
So this lasts 3 hours, and it's just hitting, which you want to see. It's like when you watch football, you want to see goals.
Yeah.
When you watch cricket, you want to see 6s and stuff. And this is swashbuckling, as they say. And it was a full house, almost at Sabina Park.
I know.
And then it was chaos in the surrounding areas because they blocked roads and all kinds of stuff.
From in the day, we were trying to get down there in the daytime, and it was a real joke.
Beautiful 2 days, 2 nights at Sabina Park, and congrats to the Jamaica Talawas. Some people are a little bit concerned because there is talk that they might be moved to the United States, to Florida. They're actually playing in Florida. The next couple of games, Talawas.
Really?
Yeah, they're actually playing. Their next couple of games will be in Florida. And some people are saying, I think they want to get more and more people involved.
So hold on. You don't realize that Florida is Kingston 21.
Which is exactly what they did. I can't remember what number you said, but like you say, Kingston 24
Kingston
or 25.
21.
Yeah, so that's
Ain't
exactly
gonna be
what
no
they
problem.
were saying. But I think some people are saying, well, not everybody have.
And the avid supporters who can afford it will go.
Yeah. So well, that was one of the complaints, that not everyone would have a visa to go. So they were a little bit disappointed. But congrats again to the Talawas. They're not close to the finish line yet, but they've made a great start. So we hope that they will end up winning. They've won a couple of times. All right.